hope I am visible. Alright, let's do it. Hello, welcome back to my channel, guys, and today I have a perfume which is very well known to everyone, and the brand which is a top-notch brand, no doubt about it. Versace. Perfume I'm going to review is Versace Dylan Blue, one of super hype fragrance in the fragrance community. Before jumping into the notes, let me tell you the story behind purchasing Versace Dylan Blue. And this was out of that curiosity to know what kind of perfume is this, because I loved Armani's Acqua di Gio, and people say that it is kind of similar to that. So I thought this might be turn out to be a very phenomenal kind of DNA, but unfortunately this was not something which I was expecting. This is not something which is super unique or something blew my mind. It didn't blew my mind, but I thought, let's try this. And maybe the thing is, I need to spend some more time with this, because some perfume are like that only. You need to spend some time with that. Gradually you fall in love with that. So Versace Dylan Blue is something like that, I guess, because the first day I sniffed, I didn't like it, but now a little bit I'm liking it. So I have to use it for some more time and for some more occasion, I guess. But for now it's not something which is absolutely love. This is on an average side. This is running on that middle way of my liking. So I think I have to wait for the perfume to gain its momentum, or to show its true potential, I think. But rest, the longevity is average. It's 5 to 6 hours, and the projection is for 1.5 hours, which is decent. The longevity is decent, but the projection is not so decent, because after 1.5 hours it's kind of a skin scent, which disappointed me a little bit, because I was expecting too much from this, because I have used Armani's Acqua di Gio, and that was very good. The projection was also good, but in this case I was a little bit disappointed. However, the price, as per the price goes, it's not so expensive, not so cheap also. This is 6,500 rupees, which is 70 to 75 dollars in India. So you can use it for daily purposes, so it's kind of good. And let's jump into the notes. Actually, I have been using it. I have in my hand already here. First note that I get with this is ambroxan, which I don't love that much, and patchouli. These two notes are the main notes, I think, because these two notes rides throughout the lifetime of the perfume. So that's it about the note. There are several notes in the Fragrantica, but these two are the prominent note that I'm getting. And patchouli is not something that I love, because I have been using a lot of patchouli fragrances like Gucci Guilty Black and all. So I'm not a big fan of patchouli. And it has also bergamot in subtle way, not too much. So that's it about the perfume. If you love Versace, you can go for it. You can try this perfume. Dylan Blue is, people say that one of their signature fragrance, but in my case this is not unique. That's why I'm not going to say you that is going to be my signature perfume. No, it's not. It's not going to be my signature perfume, but this is very good for daily use. I use it for casual wearing. I don't use for anything, any big occasion like dating and all, dating stuffs, and going in a wedding and something like that. I don't use this, but this is okay to me. I need to I need to use for some more time to see whether I love it or not, but for now it's average. So that's it with the video. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel, and please comment down below whatever you feel like about the perfume and about the review. Until then, let's see you in the next video. Bye, ciao.